In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Genspark custom agent. We'll walk through the entire process from opening Genspark to getting a shareable link into the right hands. If you already have a Genspark account and a custom agent set up, you're ready to go. If you're signed out, start by heading to the Genspark website or app and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account that owns or has access to the agent you want to share, since sharing options can depend on your permissions. Once you're signed in, open the custom agent you created earlier. You can usually find it in your workspace, recent items, or under your list of agents. Click into the agent's main page so you can see its details and settings. This is where all the sharing controls typically live. Next, look for the share option on the agent page or within its settings. It might appear as a share button on the top bar, a link icon, or under a menu with 3 dots. If you don't see it immediately, open the agent settings panel. Many platforms place sharing and access controls there. When you open the sharing controls, choose how you want to share the agent. You'll often see options like generating a shareable link, inviting specific people by email, or sharing directly to a connected platform. A shareable link is great for quick distribution, while direct invites are helpful if you need tighter control over who can access the agent. Some teams also use platform sharing for internal collaboration tools. Before finalizing, adjust any visibility or permission settings that are available. Decide whether the agent should be private, available to anyone with the link, or limited to people within your organization. Choose the appropriate role for viewers, such as view only, comment, or edit access. Setting the right permissions helps protect your work while still making collaboration easy. Now, either copy the sharing link or complete the sharing action. If you generated a link, use the copy control provided to ensure you grab the entire URL. If you chose direct invites or platform sharing, follow the prompts to confirm the recipients and send. Finally, send the link to the person or team you want to share it with. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, or a project workspace, along with a quick note explaining what the agent does and how you'd like them to use it. That's it. Your Genspark custom agent is now shared and ready for collaboration.